All right, so in this video, we're going to go through sample question 102 from the Society of Actuaries ExamP list of sample questions. A company has two electric generators. The time until failure for each generator follows an exponential distribution with mean 10. The company will begin using the second generator immediately after the first one fails. We need to calculate the variance of the total time the generators produce electricity. Okay, so very short, sweet, simple problem. So let's say X is the amount of time the first generator takes, Y is the amount of time until the second generator takes to fail, right? They're both exponential with mean 10. So X is exponential with a value of theta equaling 10, and so is Y. All right. Now we want to calculate the variance of the total time the generators produce electricity. Okay, what's the total time the generators produce electricity? Should just be X plus Y, right? So we're looking for the variance of X plus Y. Now, this is a formula you should be familiar with. This should be equal to the variance of X plus variance of Y plus 2 times the covariance X comma Y. Now here's the thing. We can assume that these generators function independently from each other, meaning their covariance is 0. So because they're independent, their covariance is 0, we are looking for the variance of X plus the variance of Y. Now, one thing you should have memorized is the variance for an exponential distribution. The variance for an exponential distribution is theta squared. So, the variance of x should be 10 squared. The variance of y should be 10 squared. Therefore, the total variance of x plus y is 100 plus 100, 200. All right, answer choice E. So nothing really to this problem, just you should know this one particular formula for variance and a little bit of knowledge about exponential distributions. Make sure you have all of those discrete and continuous distributions memorized. That is like a necessity. Otherwise, you ain't going to pass this test. All right, so hopefully that helped. If you have any lingering questions, throw it down in the comments. I will answer to the best of my abilities. If this video helped you out, hit the like button, subscribe, because that totally helps me out. And if you want to see more videos like this, solving the sample ExamP questions from the SOA, I have a playlist. Check it out. All right, a little end card at the end of the video. But other than that, thank you for watching, and I hope this helps.